If you're looking for dependable storage solutions, we are here to help you. The Seagate portable drive is great for plug-and-play use, while the Toshiba Canvio Basics is budget-friendly. If you seek durability, the LaCie Rugged Mini offers shock and water resistance. The WD Elements drive provides fast data transfer, and the Seagate One Touch features automatic backups. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mention, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Toshiba Canvio Basics 2TB Portable External Hard Drive. The Toshiba Canvio Basics 2TB Portable External Hard Drive stands out as the perfect choice for anyone needing a reliable and straightforward storage solution. With its plug-and-play functionality, we can easily set it up by simply connecting it to a USB port, no software installation required. Its USB 3.0 compatibility guarantees fast data transfer speeds, while being backward compatible with USB 2.0. We appreciate the compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry around in our bags or pockets. The pre-formatted NTFS system is ideal for Windows users, although Mac users will need to reformat it. Overall, the Canvio Basics provides excellent value with ample storage for backups, file transfers, and media storage, earning high marks from users. Those seeking an affordable, portable storage solution for backing up files and transferring data between devices. At number 2, Seagate Portable 2TB External Hard Drive. When we think about the best portable 2TB external hard drives, the Seagate Portable 2TB External Hard Drive stands out, especially for those of us who need reliable storage for both work and play. This hard drive offers a generous 2 TB capacity, perfect for storing essential files, videos, photos, and even games. Its USB 3.0 connectivity allows for fast data transfers, reaching speeds up to 120 MB per second, making our backup process quick and efficient. Those seeking reliable and high-capacity portable storage for work, gaming, and personal use. The plug-and-play feature means we can simply connect it to our PCs or Macs without any software hassles. Plus, its lightweight and compact design guarantees we can take it anywhere. While it may lack advanced security features, its performance and reliability make it a top choice. At number 3, WD 2TB Elements Portable External Hard Drive. For anyone seeking reliable and high-capacity storage on the go, the WD 2TB Elements Portable External Hard Drive stands out as an excellent choice. With a capacity of up to 6 TB and USB 3.2 Gen 1 interface, we can expect fast data transfer rates, making it perfect for our photos, videos, and documents. Its small, lightweight design guarantees portability, while the plug-and-play functionality simplifies our setup process. We appreciate its whisper-quiet operation, although it may run slightly warm during use. Compatible with both Windows and Mac, we should remember to reformat for Mac systems. Overall, user feedback highlights its durability and value, although we might want to take into account investing in a better cable. Those who need portable, high-capacity storage for backing up and archiving data, including photos, videos, and documents. Now number 4, Toshiba Canvio Flex 2TB Portable External Hard Drive. Looking for a reliable and portable storage solution? The Toshiba Canvio Flex 2TB Portable External Hard Drive could be just what we need. This model, HDTX120XK, is compatible with PCs, Macs, and tablets, and it comes pre-formatted in exFAT for seamless cross-device use. With its compact and lightweight design, it's easy to carry around, making it perfect for users on the go. We appreciate the rapid data transfer rates with USB 3.0 and the convenience of plug-and-play setup. Plus, the sleek silver casing adds a touch of style. While some users reported minor backup interruptions, overall satisfaction remains high, especially considering its excellent value. Users seeking a versatile and portable storage solution for both personal and professional use across multiple devices. Now our last product is LaCie Rugged Mini 2TB External Hard Drive. Designed for creatives on the go, the LaCie Rugged Mini 2TB External Hard Drive stands out due to its impressive durability and speed, making it an ideal choice for photographers and music producers. With compatibility for USB 3.0 and 2.0, we can experience data transfer speeds of up to 130 MB per second, ensuring our large projects load quickly. Its robust rubber casing protects against drops from up to 4 feet, while being dust and water resistant adds peace of mind. We appreciate the included 1-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, enhancing our creative workflow. Though some users mention concerns about USB connection stability, overall, this hard drive remains a reliable option for our data storage needs, especially during travel. Photographers and music producers seeking a durable and fast external hard drive for reliable data storage on the go. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.